You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All right, let me go down slowly. All right, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button. Here on my channel, there's a lot of things for you to learn, especially when it comes to bag making. All right, and then we want to go deeper. All right, so if you would like to become a professional bag maker and a profitable one at that, I would like you to join our ongoing telegram class. Yes, we have been organizing telegram class for a long period of time, and a lot of people have benefited from it, and a lot of people have been testifying and appreciating us here at Taron Innovative Board. So if you would like to take advantage of this telegram class, of this month's telegram class, I encourage you to enroll for it, and it is just for 10,000 naira. Let me tell you, this 10,000 naira is just like money to buy data. All right, it's just money to buy data, because if I'm to charge you, all right, if I want to train you, my physical students, what I normally do is, for 3 months they pay 30,000, while for 6 months they pay 50,000. Okay, and then at the end of the training they are still going to pay some other bills. All right, but here you are, because I have a lot of you online, and I believe that a lot of people will take advantage of the opportunity. This is why I and my team decided to cut down the price, okay, so that everybody can be a part of the training. All right, so it's just for 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira only, 10,000, and you will never regret, paying. I'm not one of those people that scam. I don't scam. Yes, just check out Taron Innovative World. It's a registered business. We cannot scam you because of 10,000 naira. I am just here to help you. A lot of people, life is all about impact. Okay, so if this is the only little way I can impact lives, if this is the only way I can touch lives, I and my team, I think it's worth doing. So this is why we decided that we're going to be training people on a continuous basis. So if you would like to take advantage of this training, okay, call or WhatsApp me on 080 365 88365. If you are not in Nigeria, like if you're outside the country, you can add the code +234. All right, so the number will now be +234 80 365 88365. Please, all right, if you like to pay in dollar, you can pay in dollar. Okay, so you can request for my dollar account on my WhatsApp, the number I just mentioned. And if you like to pay in naira, you can pay in naira too, even if you are outside Nigeria. Yes, a lot of people have paid in naira. There are agents to convert to help you do that in your country. All right, so I'll be teaching you a lot of things. Okay, so look at this bag. I believe you would like to learn how to make this bag, right? Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to make this bag. It's a beautiful bag. It's a new design bag. I'm going to be showing you how to make this bag and many other bags. I will be teaching you how to calculate the number of sides. A lot of times I've been getting requests like, ma, please, how can I calculate the side of this bag? How can I do this? How can I do that? By the time you register for this online class, I'm promising you that you never regret it. All you will do is you'll be appreciating and appreciating and appreciating. So I'm still going to teach you a lot more. Look at these bags. I don't think you've seen it anywhere. You've seen this design anywhere. I'm going to be teaching you how to make this bag. All right, so it's well lined. Okay, all right, let me show you another beautiful one. So look at this bag. I'm going to be showing you how to make this bag and many others that I'll be teaching you. So you have another privilege or another thing, another sweet thing about you registering for this telegram class, is that you have a one-on-one conversation with me. You can always chat me up, you can always ask me questions, okay, about bag making. If you're confused, or maybe you have something about bag that is confusing you, or that you're bothered about, maybe how to tell your customers price and so many other things, I'm going to be giving you all. And another sweet thing is, even if you have never sewn, you don't know how to match sewing machine, even if you don't know anything, even if you're a novice when it comes to sewing, you're going to, in fact, you're going to start it. We're going to teach you because we're starting from the scratch. It's well explained. So that 10,000, it will just be like, maybe you're just, it's just like I said, it's data money. What I'm giving you, what I'm going to offer you is what much more than 10,000 naira. In fact, 100,000 naira cannot pay for it. All right, so this is just my own little way of serving humanity, all right, with what God has given unto me and my team. So if you like to take part in this Telegram class, all right, you can call me in this month of August. You can call or WhatsApp me on the number I mentioned, 080 365 88365. Please don't, a lot of people will, after knowing the price, they will still come back to my channel, to my WhatsApp, and be asking me how much. It is 10,000 naira. It is 10,000 naira. Please, it's just for serious minded people. If you know you are interested, that is when you should chat me. If you're not interested, please do not chat me up. All right, so let's not waste each other's time, and then you'll be learning so many other things. You have the opportunity to ask me. Maybe if you have a bag design that you would like me to make for you, you can still tell me that, ma, I would like to learn this, and then I'll make the video. That is how we roll. All right, so my students will testify to that. All right, so I think I'm going to stop here. See you in my next video. Bye.